What on earth is that noise? I cannot figure out what this noise is. It's like Chewbacca in the tree or something. Is that Chewbacca? What is that noise? I've never heard anything like it. I can't see what the heck it's coming from. What are you? It's right here somewhere, but I can't see what it is. Oh my God, what is it? Show yourself. Will you please show yourself? I know you're in the leaves somewhere, but what is it? What on earth is that? Oh my God. It's like, don't talk back to me. What? What do you want? It definitely wants to talk to me. Is that it? Did you see that big, huge bird? I don't know if you saw it. Did it fly away? Oh my God, it was a massive bird. Did you see it? Oh, I think it flew away, whatever it was. Oh my God. I wish I would have caught that on camera. There's another one. There's like 2 of them. Oh man. What was it? Whoa. They were huge. These 2 huge birds. Now I know it was a bird. At first I thought it was like a frog or something. Wow.